The NB Network with Dee Sparta.
Hello, it's me, Dee, and welcome to the NB Network. I'm in a good mood. If you can't, I'm like, woo, 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 woo. Oh, yeah. Now, I just have, when you get some good news, and it's like reassuring, and you just feel good, it really changes your focus and look on the outlook of stuff. After this entire year and everything that's gone wrong, to get some good news that my case with the assault that I had at the hospital, the police have finished the investigation and it's being forwarded to prosecution. I'm so excited. And apparently the security guard who was extremely violent with the strangling me and punching me and smacking my head on the floor and mocking me, he had tried to file a case against me saying he was the victim, and that was tossed out. Oh yeah. I feel good. Anyway, today what we're doing is Try Beauty Box. This is a fun box. This is a Black-owned brand. It is $34.99 a month. I mean, bi-monthly. You only get this once every other month, which is nice. I think it's perfect. You sometimes get to choose a palette. They'll give you something like, oh, do you want this one or this one? And I don't remember what I chose. So I'm excited to pop this box open and see what. Okay, here we go. Dun, 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 dun. Let's open this. Oh, it comes with a card. Oh, look at this. It is so cute. Oh, wow. I'm like, let me peek. Let's get down to business here. There were two different eye palettes. There was the Saffron palette from Suva Beauty and the Neon Drip palette from Poppy Cosmetics. I'm not sure which one I got, so we'll just find out. Let's see here. That is the first thing I'm pulling up here. Down Boy Shadow Blush from the Balm Cosmetics. You know, I do like the Balm Cosmetics. This company is so adorable. Their packaging and just their play on these old type of imagery and words they use, like Down Boy. So cute with her all around these guys. That is adorbs. This is So Many Men, So Little Time. Tellement de hommes, si peu de temps. I probably butchered that because I couldn't read it very well without my glasses on. But yeah. And it's a shadow blush, so you can use it as a shadow or a blush. That's a pretty pink color. I could rock it. I think so. Now, this blush from the Balm is $21. It's a sweet pink shadow and blush, features light reflecting particles for an aura of elegance without detectable shimmer. Okay. But very cute. I've gotten their eyeshadows before, but I've not gotten like a shadow blush. So this is guiding to me. All right, we got some lashes now. Lash Scoop. Now, Try Beauty also has lashes. I think this is from them, their brand. And it's not listed here. Okay. Now these, oh wow, these flare. If you want to flare, I have a problem trying to put on eyelashes, being that I can't see very well, so they never get on straight. I'm always crooked. I'm going to try these though, because why not? Let's have some fun with it. They are 3D foam mink, vegan and cruelty free. How much are their lashes? Let me see something here. I'm back. Sorry about that. These lashes. Now you can get a subscription service from Try Beauty with Lash Scoop lashes, which are $11.99 a month. That's kind of nice. Right now, they do have a deal on their website that I saw, 20 sets of lashes for only $20. That's a great deal. So you might want to check that out. Okay, and this is an Imon Perfect Eye Pencil Crayon for the eyes. And it looks like it comes with a little sharpener in the lid. That is kind of cool. This, okay, here it is. It's in Nutbush and it's $10. $10. That's a pretty good. This is really pretty. I don't usually use brown, but it's good to have brown handy. That's the results I'm pulling out of here. This is Brenda Dylan Kelly lip cream. Oh, 90210. Oh my gosh. I was like, those names seem familiar. Brenda, Dylan, and Kelly. Brenda loves Dylan. Okay, that's what this color is. Liquid lipstick. It's a solo look. And it is $14. This is also vegan. And, oh, wow. That's a color. Let me swatch it. You don't mind, right? I'm going to... Oh, look at that. Ooh, me like it. This is so funny. It's inspired by 90210. And I'm glad they didn't go with some kind of cheesy bright pink. You know what I mean, people. We're just going to keep going. Now, in here also, and I love Avant Skincare. I love their products. This is their Pro Intense Hyaluronic Acid Illuminating Day Cream, and it's $134. So right now, this alone is worth it. I mean, I was just running out of this. I have one of these already, and I was running out, and I was just like, oh, but now I have another. I would say it's really good stuff. Because I'm old. I'm 48 years old, folks. So I need this kind of products. All right. And here is the eyeshadow palette. I got Saffron. I do. Yes. I remember I didn't want the neon colors. I have a neon palette and I don't use it. So let's go here. Oh, the box opens up like that. Oh, you know me. I should just do an outtake of all the bloopers of me trying to open things. It would. Okay, this is from Suva Beauty. I am fascinated by this because it's got shimmers. It's got 5 shimmers and 4 mattes. I like the colors. I look forward. I'm probably going to wear this tomorrow. Yeah, I'm going to, because I already have my eyes done today. But this palette is $35. So that's for a 9 pan. Well, good size pan. Let's get in here. I'm going to swatch it here. I mean, usually I like to swatch, put up fancy pictures of swatching, but you know, hey folks, we're just going to try a little swatchy here. I want to try this. Oh, look at that. Ooh, baby. Pretty, pretty, pretty. And that color is coriander. Now I'm going to do saffron. The saffron color was really calling my name, and it still is. Look at that. Ooh, yeah. Now, cinnamon. Look at it. Whoa, I just saw what my lights are doing here, reflecting. Huh. Look at that. Cinnamon. That does look like cinnamon. That is so cool. I need to grab something to wipe my fingers off. I forgot to do that part. We'll be right back. Back to swatching. Now we have paprika. Paprika. Let's see here. Where am I going to swatch you? I'll swatch you right here. That did not come out very... Let me try that again. It's not very... It seems almost sheer. I would have... Huh. I wonder how it looks on your eyelid. I love paprika sprinkling it on garlic toast or in my spaghetti sauce. Those are things I like to do. All right, now we have turmeric. That color looks amazing. Look. Oh. Yeah, I'm happy. Ginger. It's pale color. I am pale. So you can't really see it, but it's there. Yes, I'm a white girl. Star Anise. Okay, let's see here. I still have the gloss swatch on this hand. That, oh, that did come out really nice. Let's do Sarso. If I am butchering names, I am so sorry. Oh, that is so pretty. And last is Clove. I like when I bake a ham with a mustard, brown sugar, honey glaze, I stick cloves in it. And that one, yeah, I've noticed the matte formula isn't as nice as the shimmer formula. That's interesting. Just a little things I've noticed. Anyway, this has been fun. It's been fun just sitting here playing with some of this makeup. I think, you know, oh, you know what? Did I swatch the blush eyeshadow? Because it is considered for eyes. Let's go ahead. Let's just do it. I'll swatch it up here. Ooh, that came out. The balm does good. That is like, whoo, it pigmented beautifully. I do like this little box, you know, I mean, this is over $130 and it's a Supreme Hyaluronic Acid Anti-Oxidizing Dual Moisturizer. And it's good for anti-aging. And boy, I want to keep looking young. Let me tell you, I do. I feel young. Except for my body doesn't. That's the best way to say it. Okay, everybody. Thank you for joining me. And please hit that like button. Subscribe to my channel. Let me know what you think of this box. What palette would you have chosen? The Neon Drip or the Saffron? I will put images of both up. I'm like, yeah, I'm looking good here, aren't I? Okay, everybody. I love you. Be kind to yourself. Be kind to others. And I'll see you next time here on the MB Network. Bye.